With day-to-day expenses constantly on the increase, more Jamaicans are set to get money from the government to cushion the effect. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the announcement on Wednesday at the opening of a superstore in Manchester. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
Gas, food, utility bills, the price of everything is going up. The Bank of Jamaica has even projected that by June 2022, inflation should be between 12 and 15%, way outside the target range of between 4 and 6%. The matter is made worse by the COVID-19 pandemic, rising oil prices, and other effects of the Russia-Ukraine conflict.
I understand the mood of the country. I understand how the minimum wage earner is feeling. I understand how people feel when they see their electricity bill and how upset they must be. I understand. But this too will pass.
In the interim, the government has been supporting individuals and different sectors. For example, paying 20% of electricity bills for households using 200 kilowatt hours or less for 4 months. That We Care Energy copay program is costing the government roughly $700 million per month.
And in the coming weeks, we will be announcing even further cash transfers to the most vulnerable and the poorest to ensure that they can survive this difficult time until matters in the geopolitical arena are resolved and some stability can return to our global energy and food markets.
Now, the opposition and other stakeholders have been pressuring the government to reduce the tax on fuel to further cushion the effects of the crisis. Mr. Holness pointed to mixed reactions about the removal of that tax in the United States. He adds that his administration is targeting the needy and had this outlook.
If the government acts without caution, if it acts irresponsibly, the situation could worsen. And so the approach of the government is one that seeks to ensure that our economy can withstand the shocks.
The Prime Minister was speaking at the opening of Isratech's Supercenter in Shooters Hill, Manchester on Wednesday. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.